Welcome to Mr. English Speaks. Listen, learn, and improve your English effortlessly.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Speaks. Today, we have a very interesting and very useful conversation for you. It's all about the new year, so if you want to practice English, improve your speaking, and learn natural sentences you can use in real life, stay with us. And don't forget, like the video and subscribe if you want more conversations like this. Now, let's begin.
Hello, Adam, and hello to everyone watching. I'm really excited for today's conversation because the new year is a time full of hope, reflection, and fresh beginnings. And I think a lot of people love listening to conversations about holidays because it helps them improve English in a fun way.
That's true. And New Year is a special moment for almost everyone around the world. So, Sarah, let me ask you, how do you usually feel when the new year is coming?
I feel a mix of emotions. I feel excited because it's a chance to start again. I feel hopeful because I want new opportunities. And I feel reflective because I start thinking about the past year, what I learned, what I accomplished, and what I want to change.
I think a lot of people feel exactly the same. Actually, I do the same thing. When the year is ending, I sit quietly for a little while and think about everything that happened. I try to understand what went well, what didn't go well, and how I can improve myself.
That's a very healthy habit. Many people don't take time to reflect, but reflection helps us grow. Do you make New Year resolutions?
I do. Not a long list, but I choose 2 or 3 important things, and I try to stay realistic. For example, last year I decided to improve my health by walking more, drinking more water, and sleeping earlier. And honestly, I succeeded. Not perfectly, but I improved.
That's the key. Progress, not perfection. I also make resolutions, but mine are usually about self-development. I like learning new skills. Last year, I decided to learn photography, and guess what? I actually learned a lot. Now I can take really nice photos.
Wow, that's great. I have always wanted to learn photography. Maybe you can teach me sometime.
Of course, and maybe your first photo of the new year can be something meaningful, like a sunrise. New Year sunrise photos always look beautiful.
I agree. The first sunrise of the year feels symbolic. It feels like the world is giving you a clean page, like you can write a new story.
Exactly. And I think a lot of people need that feeling. Life can be stressful, and the new year gives people a small moment to breathe and reset.
By the way, everyone watching, repeat after me. New Year is a fresh start. One more time. New Year is a fresh start. Practice with us to improve your speaking.
Speaking of fresh starts, Adam, do you have any New Year traditions?
Yes. Every New Year's Eve, I spend time with my family. We eat together, talk about memories, and then when midnight comes, we watch fireworks. It's simple but meaningful.
That sounds wonderful. My family celebrates in a slightly different way. We prepare a small table with candles, snacks, and sometimes a little notebook where we write our goals. At midnight, we read our goals out loud. It feels very inspiring.
I love that idea. Reading goals at midnight makes your intentions clear for the year, and it also makes you feel responsible for your promises.
Yes, it does. And you know something? Many people forget their resolutions after a week or two, but when you read them out loud with family, you remember them for much longer.
True. Speaking of goals, what are some of your goals for this upcoming year?
Let me think. I want to travel to at least 2 new places. I want to read more books. And I want to improve my cooking skills. I've been trying new recipes recently, and it's fun.
That's interesting. Cooking is a very useful skill. And travel is one of the best teachers in life.
Very true. Travel teaches you about culture, people, food, language, and actually, watching English conversations, like the one we are doing now, also helps people learn about communication.
By the way, if you are enjoying this conversation, make sure to subscribe because it helps the channel grow and it motivates us to make more high-quality English videos for you.
Yes, your support really matters, and we enjoy helping you learn English through simple and natural conversations.
Sarah, let's talk about how people celebrate New Year around the world. Some countries have fireworks, some have family dinners, some have dancing and festivals. Which style do you like the most?
I like a calm celebration. I enjoy peaceful moments with family or close friends. I'm not a big fan of crowded places on New Year's Eve. I prefer being somewhere warm and cozy, drinking something hot, talking, laughing, and waiting for midnight.
Same here. I used to enjoy crowds when I was younger, but now I like quiet celebrations. I think as we grow older, peace becomes more attractive.
Absolutely. And you know what else I like? New Year decorations. I love the lights, the colors, the atmosphere. Everything feels happy and bright.
Yes, the decorations make everything feel magical. Even simple lights can change the whole mood of a place.
And music. New Year songs are always cheerful.
Do you have a favorite New Year song?
Not really one favorite, but I enjoy soft background instrumental music. It creates a warm feeling.
I like that too. By the way, this reminds me, many learners struggle with English small talk during holidays. So let's help them. Sarah, imagine someone wants to talk with a friend or colleague about New Year. What simple questions can they ask?
Good idea. They can ask, "What are your New Year plans? Do you celebrate New Year with family? What are your goals for the new year?" Or, "How was your year?" These questions are easy and friendly.
And what answers can they give?
They can say, "I'm spending New Year with my family. I'm staying home this year. I want to start fresh. I'm excited for the new year." Very simple sentences.
Everyone watching, practice with me. Repeat slowly. I'm excited for the new year. Again, I'm excited for the new year.
Great job. Practicing with your voice is the best way to learn.
Sarah, have you ever made a New Year resolution that you completely failed?
Oh yes, many times. One year I promised myself to wake up at 5 a.m. every day. It lasted, maybe 4 days?
4 days? That's good. I tried the same thing and lasted 1 day.
See? That's why I said progress, not perfection. It's okay if we don't complete every goal. What matters is trying and learning.
Exactly. And that's a good message for the new year. Don't pressure yourself too much. Just try to improve a little every day.
Agreed. And speaking of improvement, learning English is also a long journey. People should be patient.
Yes. And you don't have to be perfect. Just practice a little every day. Listening, speaking, reading, or watching videos like this.
Adam, what's one lesson you learned this year?
One lesson I learned is that taking care of your mental health is important. I learned that resting is not a waste of time. Sometimes you need to pause to become stronger.
That's a beautiful lesson. For me, I learned to appreciate small things. A cup of tea, a good conversation, a peaceful morning. Small things bring big happiness.
You know, I think the new year teaches us to appreciate time. Time moves very fast. 1 year feels long, but when it ends, it feels short.
Yes, it feels like you blink and the year is gone.
That's why we must use our days wisely.
Very true. And spend time with people who bring us peace and positivity.
Sarah, what do you want to tell our audience for the new year?
I want to tell them, believe in yourself. Don't compare your journey with others. Stay patient with your English learning. And be kind to yourself.
That's beautiful. I'd like to add something too. I want to tell you, thank you for supporting Mr. English Speaks. Your comments, likes, and messages mean a lot. We work very hard to give you quality English conversations. And in the new year, we will bring even better lessons.
Yes, we're very thankful, and we're happy that you're learning with us.
Everyone watching, repeat with me, Happy New Year. Again, Happy New Year.
And remember, every day is a chance to start again, not just January 1st.
Very true. Sarah, do you want to share your New Year message in simple English so beginners can understand easily?
Sure. My message is,
Be calm, stay hopeful, work hard, be kind, and trust yourself. Your new year will be good. That was beautiful. I'm sure many people felt inspired.
I hope so.
Before we end, everyone, if you enjoyed this conversation, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who is learning English. It helps us reach more people.
And it motivates us to create even more long, natural English conversations for you.
Thank you for watching. We wish you a wonderful new year ahead.
A year full of happiness, success, and peace.
Take care, everyone.
Bye.